Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
I will explain how to obtain a reliable F&o stock list step by step. Start by understanding that F&o lists show tradable futures and options on exchanges such as NSE and BSE. Next, know that exchanges update the list daily before market open, and checking the exchange website takes about 5 minutes. Combine 3 sources for accuracy: the official exchange page, your broker platform, and a market data API for automated verification and archival. First, visit the exchange website and download the daily F&o list as a CSV file. The CSV contains symbol, expiry date, strike price, and instrument type for easy filtering. Second, log into your broker platform and create a watch list to mirror F&o symbols and expiry dates automatically. Third, configure a market data API to query symbols, expiries, and open interest every 30 minutes for real-time confirmation and historical archiving. Validate your F&o list daily before market open, ideally before 9:15 a.m., and archive snapshots with timestamps for audit. Remove delisted or expired contracts by filtering expiry dates and low open interest, which reduces false signals during trading. Finally, automate alerts for new inclusions and notable volume or open interest changes greater than 25%, and maintain a change log to track adjustments and ensure your trading models use the most current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.